Ladies and gentlemen, good evening, and thank you for joining us today. It is with great excitement that I present to you a smartphone that redefines value, reliability, and everyday performance, the OPPO A5 Vitality Edition. At OPPO, we believe that cutting-edge technology should be accessible to everyone, not just in terms of price, but in the way it empowers users in their daily lives. The OPPO A5 Vitality is the embodiment of that philosophy, a smart, stylish, and powerful device that fits right into your lifestyle without breaking the bank. Design and display. Let's start with the design. The OPPO A5 Vitality Edition carries a sleek, modern aesthetic that combines elegance with durability. Its 6.67-inch HD Plus display features a 1604 by 720 resolution with a 19:9 aspect ratio and global default maximum brightness, 850 nits typical. Global excitation maximum, 1000 nits typical. The LCD display supports up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 120 Hz touch sampling rate, giving users an immersive viewing experience whether they're streaming videos, browsing the web, or catching up on social media. The water drop notch design is a subtle but striking feature, housing the front camera while maximizing screen space. And the curved edges ensure the phone fits comfortably in your hand, a reminder that beauty and function go hand in hand. Performance under the hood. The OPPO A5 Vitality Edition runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor, an octa-core chipset built for smooth, responsive performance. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or simply navigating through daily apps, this phone keeps things fluid and frustration-free. Paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage, the A5 Vitality gives you enough power and space for everyday use, while also supporting expandable storage via microSD. It's the kind of practical performance that doesn't get in your way, it enhances your day. Battery life. One of the standout features of this device is its 5,800 mAh battery. In a world where we're constantly connected, battery life is not just a specification, it's a necessity. The OPPO A5 Vitality is optimized for power efficiency, allowing you to get through a full day of calls, chats, videos, and more without reaching for the charger. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or a parent on the go, this phone supports your pace. Camera experience. The OPPO A5 Vitality doesn't compromise when it comes to capturing moments. On the back, you'll find a 50MP plus 2MP dual camera setup, enabling you to take crisp, vibrant photos with depth and detail. The secondary lens allows for background blur, perfect for portrait shots. On the front, the 8MP selfie camera includes AI Beautification 2.0, automatically recognizing features and enhancing your selfies without overprocessing them. It's smart, natural, and always flattering. Software and features. The device runs ColorOS 15, built on Android 15. It brings an intuitive, user-friendly interface with smart features like Smart Bar for multitasking and AI-driven optimizations that keep the system smooth and battery efficient. Security-wise, the phone supports facial unlock, giving you quick and easy access while keeping your data safe. Conclusion. In conclusion, the OPPO A5 Vitality Edition is more than a budget smartphone. It's a thoughtfully designed companion that blends style, performance, and value. It offers everything you need in a smartphone and nothing you don't. For students, working professionals, and families alike, the A5 Vitality is proof that great technology can and should be for everyone. Thank you, and we invite you to experience the vitality of OPPO in your hands today. Please like and subscribe to our channel Jucter.